Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the syllabus of research methodology paper for BBA Part 3 semester 5. Firstly, we will discuss about the outcomes of this course or outcomes of this paper. Firstly, this paper is introduced in our syllabus to provide the basic knowledge of research, to help determine objective of research, to identify research problems, to know the process of research design, to know the process of sampling, to know data collection and analysis of data. It will help to learn about the report writing. In first topic, that is the introduction to research methodology, we will discuss about the meaning, definition, objectives and types of research. Then we will discuss about the significance of research. We will discuss about selection of research problem. Then we will discuss research design, meaning of research design, steps in research design and characteristics of research design. In chapter number 2, we will discuss about the sampling design and data collection. Firstly, we will discuss about the meaning of sampling, characteristics of good sampling design, types of sampling design. Then we will discuss about data collection, meaning and types of data. Then we will discuss about different methods of data collection, that are the primary data and secondary data. In primary data, we will discuss about the observation method, interview method, questionnaire and schedule method. And lastly, we will discuss about the sources of data, secondary data. In third chapter, we will discuss about the processing and analysis of data. Firstly, we will discuss about the classification of data, what are the types of classification. Then we will discuss about the tabulation of data. In that part, we will discuss about the various parts of table and various types of tables. Then we will discuss about graphical presentation of data, that are the bar diagrams, pie charts and curves. Then we will discuss about the analysis and interpretation of data. In that point, we will discuss about meaning, methods of data analysis and interpretation of data. There are different techniques of interpretation of data. In last chapter, we will discuss about the report writing, meaning, significance and steps taken in research report, the layout or the standard layout of research report. We will discuss about different types of report, mechanisms of report writing, and what are the precautions which are necessary to take during the process of